Welcome friends in another video of Panasonic Robot training, how to use the Teach-Pendent. Here we discuss user ID settings for the first time. You must log in as robot to perform teaching operation or editing. Changing robot settings, it is factory set to automatic log on at shipment. Refer to the following procedure and register the user ID as robot. First procedure, click login. Second, type robot in the user ID entry field. You can see all this procedure in this image, or you can click browse button to select robot from the list of user IDs. Third, type 0000 4 zeros in password entry field. Fourth, click OK to change the user level to the robot, the level you can perform teaching operation or setting editing robot settings. Attention, the password 4 zeros is for the initial login. Change the password if needed. You cannot delete robot. For details of user ID including registry and editing, please refer to section 13.3 user management settings on page 173. You can see the image. This is the whole image. Here you can see click set advanced settings, user ID, login, click login contents, logout, window changes key switches the active cursor, login, close. Here you can see all this input, robot input 4 zeros. Click OK, select user ID, robot. Now next is manual operation. First of all, here you can see warning. Prior to turning on the servo power, make sure that no personal or nothing to interfere with robot movement is present within the robot work envelope. You can use the Teach-Pendent to operate the robot manually. The movements won't be recorded. For safe operation in teach mode, it is possible to limit the travel speed at the tool center point and the mechanical interface tool mounting point within the 0.01 meter per minute to 15 meter per minute range. Click the robot motion icon to turn on the icon, which enables robot manual operation. Once the robot motion icon is turned on, function icons for robot movements are displayed. Jog up, down the jog dial while holding down a function key of the robot motion you want. Then the robot moves according to the function you specified. Once the function key is released, the robot stops. You can see all this procedure in this image. System list, system controller, jog width 0.20 mm, HML switch with R shift key. All these icons are present in this image. Now next is note. Here very important note. The travel distance of the robot control point tool center point is indicated at the upper right corner of the screen. The value is reset to 0 once the function key is released. The joint coordinate system is set as default coordinate system unless otherwise specified. To apply a coordinate system other than joint, refer to section 4.6. Switch the coordinate system. How the jog dial work: lamp is on, moves the robot arm, lamp is off, moves the cursor. Jog up, down, you can see in this image. Jog, drag or pressing plus minus key. Jog up, down, the robot moves corresponding to the amount of the jog dial rotation. You can see in this image. Jog, drag or pressing plus minus key. Jog the dial a little to move the robot at a low speed and a lot to move it at a high speed. Moving speed at plus minus. Operation is shown at right upper area of the Teach-Pendent. You can see all this in this image. Indicator in the upper right corner of the Teach-Pendent. Second image shows indicator in the upper right corner of the Teach-Pendent. You can see the movements of robots in this image. Now next is very important note. Use the R shift key to switch the feed per jog setting, high, middle or low. To change the settings, see section jog settings. So this is the part 6 of Panasonic Robot Training Teach-Pendent. Other topics we discuss in our next video.